Swiss scientist Jean Piaget is considered by many to be the father of cognitive development. He began his career by working with Binet, developing IQ tests. During the process, Piaget became more interested in the errors children made, and he noticed patterns in their errors and was interested in examining the thought processes that led the children to those errors. He later used this information to develop his theories of cognitive development. Piaget is a stage theorist, believing that there are sequential stages that children go through in terms of their cognitive abilities. Each stage is represented by the cognitive operations a child is able to perform at a given point in time. According to Piaget, all children go through cognitive developmental stages in the same order, but not at the exact same age. These stages involve gradual and constant changes of intellectual growth. He identifies these stages as the sensory motor stage, the pre-operational stage, the stage of concrete operations, and the stage of formal operations. The sensory motor stage occurs between the ages of 0 and 2. This stage is characterized by an infant trying to understand the world by physically interacting with it. Infants will typically tend to grab objects, suck on objects, and understand the world by touching and feeling everything around them. The pre-operational stage occurs between the ages of 2 and 6. This stage is characterized by symbolic play. Children develop language and use imaginative play. They show irreversibility, a limitation where they can think about a situation only in one direction, but not in the opposite direction. They also have egocentric thought and have problems with the concept of conservation. The stage of concrete operation occurs around ages of 6 and 7 and goes through to the ages of 11 or 12. This stage is characterized by the ability to use reversibility, think logically, and classify objects. But the thought processes are limited to concrete operations. In essence,